Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this bullet journal or any kind of journal from a A4 size binder. And it's very easy, and these bookmarks I've already uploaded in my previous video. If you want to see them, just check it out. I'll give the link in the description box below. And these are the planner dashboards I've made from scrapbook paper. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video, how I made this planner cum bullet journal. First, I've taken this A4 size binder. Then I've marked the size I wanted. Then I've cut it in that size. This folder also got cut down, which I'll be adhering later on. Then I've taken this scrapbook paper from Bird Valley. Then I'll be sticking it. After sticking it, it will look like this. Now I'll remove that paper and insert a yellow color paper in that place. Now I'll just eyeball it and mark it down, then punch holes in them. Now after punching holes, I'll be inserting elastic like this and then tie a knot on both sides. That's it. It will look like this. Now I'll glue this part like this and the other side as well. After that, I'll be gluing the flap or the folder. Insert. Then I'll take a punching machine and punch a design like this. Now this design is created. It's kind of an abstract design, not symmetrical. Now I'll be gluing it. Now I'll put some embellishments, a paper leaf and a paper rose, like this. Then I'll attach some designs. I've punched these designs from that punching machine and it will look like this. Now I've taken this scrapbook paper and eyeballed it and made some planner dashboards like this. I'll be using this as planner dashboards. Then I'll mark for punching the holes in them like this. Now I'll be punching holes in all of the dashboards, including this small grid paper, and I've attached this design border as well on the planner dashboard and attached few papers, the grid paper, and punch hole in them, and then I'll be inserting them in that A4 size binder. And that's it. It's almost ready. You can use it any way, like a planner or a bullet journal or just drawing, anything. It's very versatile, and I have made this bookmarks in my previous video, as I have told earlier, and I'll be decorating it with them. Now, with the help of the stickers and in Jelly Roll gel pen, I've written the heading, and this bookmark I've already uploaded. So check in the description box below, and it's complete. Bye.